Okay, so now we're going to try pressing all of the glowing buttons. So if you hold your controllers up like this, you notice that you've got the Y and X on your left hand and the B and A on your right hand. Now you have to kind of give some thought as to where your real thumbs are in relationship to these, and put your thumbs in there, and you'll notice that the virtual thumbs mimic your real thumb position once you get it inside of the controllers and by those buttons. So if I press my finger on what I think would be the B, you see that the real thumb and the virtual thumb are in the same place. Okay, so now we're going to just do this. We're just going to press these buttons.
Try moving the thumbsticks around.
The thumbsticks is this controller joystick, but it's small and it's only for a thumb. That's why they call it thumbsticks. On a controller, it would be joysticks, or like a joystick. So we're just going to move these around with our thumbs on the left and on the right.
Thumbsticks can also be pressed like buttons.
So,
press them in until you feel them click.
in pressing them in, so you put your thumbs on the top of them, and then you just press in. And that's on the left, and press in.
Next,
That's
use your
on the
index
right.
fingers to squeeze the triggers on your controllers.
These are the triggers. So this is your pointer finger, your index finger, and you feel it right up here at the top. So we're holding the gripper like this, and up here at the top, we just pull.
Locate the grip buttons and squeeze them with your middle fingers.
That's this button right here. Now this finger, these fingers aren't tracked. So if you open and close your, the hand past your index finger, these fingers don't move. So you can't look at these and see the same way, but it does know that you've pulled the trigger. And so you will see the trigger, the gripper's fingers move. So here's the left, and here's the right.
Now let's see what your virtual hands can do.
All right. So
make a
now,
fist, squeeze the grip with your middle finger and hold it down.
so now they've taken away the controllers, and now we only have hands. Okay, so in order to make a fist, you're using the same finger that we used in the gripper while the controller was in our hands. We still squeeze that same button. And so
To point,
make a fist.
keep squeezing the grip and just lift your index finger. Now use your index finger to push the button in front of you.
So we have this button. Squeeze. And we just press in.
To pick up an object, squeeze and hold the grip button with your middle finger. Try reaching out and grabbing one of these blocks.
We're going to squeeze
Release
the
the grip
same
button
way.
to drop it. Your virtual hands can do just about anything. Go ahead, play with some of these items.
So we're going to grab with this one. We grab with this one, holding the gripper. And we can... Okay. I could take this and hit that. So you want to just...
Looks like you're getting the hang of it. Here's a few more to try.
These are all exercises that are just familiarizing you with the controller. So now we have this radio controlled blimp, okay, and we've got a controller right here. We can grab it with either one of our hands, okay. You can grab it. Ooh, I dropped it, but it'll come back. Okay, so now we can move it forward. There we go. Squeeze it. I pull the trigger. Let's turn it. I'm using the thumbstick controller. So you'll really want to go around and mess around with all of this stuff. Make a fist and punch it. Okay, grab this, and let it go.
When you're ready to explore some new VR
Grab
worlds, insert a cartridge into the console.
Now, we got a video game inside of our VR. We can grab one of these games, and let's play this one. I think this is a shooting game. Press the button. And then we come in here. Check this out. This is really cool. Make sure that you look around and take in the environment. You know, look at this. Okay. So we've got this you can switch guns. Hit the button to stop the game.
When you're ready to explore another virtual world, insert the cartridge into
And
the
so
console.
that's pretty much, you know, the end of it. That's all you do. And I really encourage you to spend some time just playing with this stuff, because you're really familiarizing yourself with the concept of grabbing, you know, and interacting with virtual objects. So, you know, ideally you want to just be able to grab what you want to grab and do what you want to do. If I wanted to hit this like that, I can practice hitting left-handed. But yeah, it's a playpen, so you can practice interacting. You have to be able to interact with stuff. It's so important. When you're ready to leave, you grab this exit controller, pop that in there.
You've got the basics down. Time to explore all that VR has to offer. Have fun.
And you will be back out. Ask any questions.